In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook ads to GoHighLevel. This process will help you seamlessly transfer leads from your Facebook advertisements directly into your GoHighLevel account, ensuring that your marketing efforts are efficiently captured in your customer relationship management system. Now let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your GoHighLevel account. Once you've landed on the dashboard, make sure you switch to the sub-account where you want your Facebook leads to go. It's important not to be in the agency view, as the integration works at the sub-account level where you'll manage specific campaigns and leads. With that sorted, the next step is to navigate to the integrations section. On the left sidebar, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on this and it will reveal various tabs you can explore. From here, select Integrations. This area is where you'll connect third-party services to your GoHighLevel account. In the Integrations section, locate the Facebook tab and click on Connect. This action will initiate the process of linking your GoHighLevel with your Facebook account. Following this, a pop-up window should appear, prompting you to sign in to Facebook. Use your Facebook Business Manager credentials for login. This is crucial because Business Manager is the tool that allows businesses to manage their Facebook advertising and pages effectively. Once you're logged in, you'll be asked to grant permissions. Now, pay close attention here. You'll need to approve permissions for managing your pages, accessing your ad accounts, and managing leads for your pages. At this point, I must emphasize the importance of allowing all these permissions. Failing to grant permission for any single one could interrupt the syncing process, preventing your leads from being transferred correctly. Ensuring that every required permission is accepted will pave the way for a successful integration, smoothing out the lead capture workflow. Now that you've given all the necessary authorizations, you'll find that you have successfully connected your Facebook account to GoHighLevel. This connection will enable the automatic and seamless transmission of your Facebook leads directly into the GoHighLevel system, saving you time and ensuring that none of your valuable leads slip through the cracks. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've accomplished a key integration that bridges your digital marketing efforts with your CRM, ultimately enhancing your marketing efficiency. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Keep implementing these strategies to optimize your marketing endeavors, and I'll see you in the next video for more tips and insights.